Today I'm going to show you how I repair a drawer that is broken from dresser drawers. It happens all the time, and it takes a few tools that I'll show you a little bit. You need a drill. You need some wood glue. Not just any glue, it has to be wood glue. You need some screws. And you need a special adapter for your drill gun that I'll show you how I use it in just a little bit. And also you need a damp rag. And this is a special gluing clamp that I have for just such an occasion. So in this project I have a dresser drawer, and this happens all the time. The dresser drawer came undone. So I'll show you what I mean. If you take a look inside here, you can see that this has broken. It happens all the time. There's a bottom to it, and there's some bracing here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart a little bit, just this side, and then I'm going to reinforce it with wood glue and some screws, and it should be good to go. So the first thing I have to do is take the side off of this, and it's pretty loose. And you can see it was held in there by just these little tiny nails. And this groove that goes along the bottom here is where the bottom of the drawer is. So I'm going to put glue in there. I'm going to take out all these staples and replace them with screws. That way it'll be a nice tighter fit and it will not fall apart again. I forgot about a tool I need. These are regular wire cutters. And in order to pull these nails out without damaging the front, which you want this to look nice and shiny, and you don't want to break that, you pull it through the back. So I take my wire cutters and I hold on to this and I pull it out. So this is what the end of the drawer looks like without the end on it. And you can see the bottom is a little bit curved there. And there's two places on the left and the right where I'll be able to glue and put a screw in there so that it holds tightly. The next step is for me to fit this together without gluing it first to see how it goes. And I slide the bottom in here. Making sure that it fits. There you go. Pops right in there. Let's see. There you go. That looks good, huh? So this is the clamp that I use to go all the way around the whole drawer. And what happens is this line pulls out and these get further and further apart until they fit around the entire drawer. Now that I have my clamp on it, as you can see, it goes all the way around and it fits snug on the corners there. All the way around. I can take this handle here and just tighten it up. And it gets nice and snug. That way it won't fall apart as I'm trying to fix it. So the next thing I want to do is I want to drill into this so that I can put screws in there without it cracking. This takes a very special bit called a countersink bit. So it looks like this. There's a kind of like a little drill on one side, then on the other side it has a Phillips head screw. So once I have this in the drill, I then put this in here. I want the drill part first. So I put this inside here this way, pull back on this, and it's locked, ready to go. Now this is not going to be tight at first. It's not going to be tight until I take it apart again and glue it. And then I'll put the screws in. I'll make sure that this goes exactly where you want it to. Now that I have my drill holes piloted into here, 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 and here, I can take it apart and drop this clamp a little more. Take the side off and put some glue in here. And up the side, up this side. Now I can put it back together with some glue in there. There you go. I switched this from the drill. Just pull it out, turn it around, snap it in place. I can take my screw, put it on the end of the screwdriver. Ooh, did you feel that? That really snapped in there nicely. You can see by using the countersink that these screws are exactly flush with the wood. You don't want them sticking out because then it'll stop the drawer when it slides in and out. Now, I said earlier that I needed a wet rag, and I wanted to show you why. When you glue things, sometimes the glue comes through the crack. So you just want to kind of wipe that off just a little bit so the glue's not coming down. So the last step here is that I need to put the clamp back on, and I do that by just tightening this up. Nice and tight. Okay, well, it's the next day, and this has been drying for 24 hours, so the only thing I have to do now is take off the clamp, and it should be good as gold. Ready to go, put it back in the drawer. Take the clamp off by simply unscrewing this. Make it nice and loose. There you have it, one fixed drawer. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of things around school that we'll be able to fix, and this might be one of them that happens. A drawer breaks all the time. Welcome to my garage, and I hope you enjoyed this.